So one of the types of text tools that you can use inside a Photopea is the vertical type tool. So to do that, you need to click and hold on the text tool right here. And over here, you can see that vertical type tool is an option. If I were to click right here and start typing, then you can see that it starts typing in the direction right here. Let me just go around and drag this down right here. Click on typing it in, and it's vertical type tool right here. Click and drag it around over here, and then if I were to go around and say hello right here, you can see that it types in vertically right here. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around and choose another text right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around onto destroy, then this is what you have. As you can see, you can also go around, change the size right here, and everything is vertically typed, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and choose the typeface from over here, as long as you have option, and change around the colors as well. So all of the options are as same as the regular type tool right here. You can press enter to go around and arrange out the text right here. So let me just go around and press Z, and you can center align it, like center align it, left align it, which actually pushes to the top, and right align it right here. You can also go around and then choose where to center it out right here, up, down, right here, just like this, and everything is actually taken into account right here, just like this. So you can go around and resize it out and so forth. You can also work around with the wrap right here, just like this, and then change around how the text actually takes shape right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and you can press apply to actually go around and then make it permanent right here. You can add in space right here, just like this, over here, to actually go around and then add in, let's say for example, some space right here, just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto the text tool right here, just like this, then this is what you have. Go around onto text tool right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You can rotate it, you can place it wherever you want, and so forth, and it is still editable. So that is how you can work around with the vertical type tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.